Are you looking for the best blenders for milkshakes in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best blenders for milkshakes that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Decen 1450 watt high-speed blender. In case you are looking for a powerful commercial milkshake blender that can serve all the purpose from being a food processor to a milkshake blender, Decen 1450 watt high-speed blender will be the right choice for you. The blender is very large in size and suitable for people having a big family and need to serve all the members in one go. The capacity of the jar is 70 ounces, and the motor is very high functioning with a good RPM that can blend products within seconds. The parts are also removable, and on the off chance that you have a dishwasher, the parts can be easily washed into it without any breakage of the machine. Moving on at number 4, we have the Blendtec Classic 575 blender with Wildside Plus jar. Our best all-around blender for milkshakes is produced by Blendtec, a company that has been a consumer favorite for many years. This blender is the heir of the highly popular Total Blender and retains many of the features of the older model but improved with new functionality. With this model, you get a powerful 3 HP 1575 watt motor and a unique smooth blade design which makes it a great blender for ice and frozen fruits. There are 4 pre-programmed cycles available for this blender, including the smooth cycle, which works great for milkshakes, the 60-second cycle for raw food blending, the 90-second cycle for hot soups, and a self-cleaning cycle. At number 3, we have the NutriBullet Rx N17-1001. One of the most popular blenders on the market, the Magic Bullet NutriBullet Rx N17-1001, has the familiar look of the consumer favorite NutriBullet, albeit a grown-up version. Including 2 cups for making cold drinks such as smoothies and milkshakes and another one for nut butters, this blender also has a jug that comes in handy for creating soups over 70 degrees Celsius. Users love the design of the blender, which is different to many models available out there. The blending is activated by the user dropping the cup or jug with blades onto the base. The personal blender comes with 2 cups for milkshakes or smoothies and a larger pitcher for soups. At number 2, we have the Hamilton Beach Personal Blender. The Hamilton Beach Personal Blender is a good blender for milkshake and is all about flexibility and power. Adaptability, since it's a blender that is ideal for making drinks for an individual blender that gives you a chance to alter and mix 2 unique beverages without a moment's delay. Power, since it bends over with 2 arrangements of cutting edges and a powerful motor for an assortment of mixing and serving alternatives. You can carry it anywhere during traveling, without any problem. And finally at number 1, we have the Mueller Austria 1001 Ultra Stick Immersion Blender. The Mueller Austria 1001 Ultra Stick Immersion Blender is an expert evaluation milkshake appliance, intended to withstand extraordinary utilization. You can utilize this machine to mix sustenance or puree vegetables and create fruit juice. It doesn't accompany a container or base. Be that as it may, it mixes nourishment rapidly and just occupies the negligible counter room. Outfitted with a 500-watt engine, the Mueller Austria 1001 Ultra Stick is a standout amongst the most dominant milkshake appliance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friends. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.